You're probably wondering what you get with an advertorial. So I thought it'd be best to show you this example that we did for Byte and let you know everything that you get. So first and foremost, we build everything from scratch. Everything's done in Photoshop from the design, and then the development's done in Scratch, and the copywriting is done in-house. The sole purpose of an advertorial is to educate, inform, make your arguments, and get people educated about your product before they arrive at your product page or your offer page. So it's a great way to send traffic, get them informed about your product, make those arguments, get them excited, informed, engaged, and clicking through. That's why on this page you see a lot of call to actions. We have the Ben Affleck scroll that's following us with the interactive buttons. And then we have a lot of these hyperlinks that you're seeing here whenever you see the word Byte. The sole purpose of the advertorial is, like I said, I'm probably repeating myself a lot, is just to educate, get people excited. We've seen it work really, really well with the e-commerce space, and that's why we're promoting it heavily. It's literally everything you see here. It's not like a landing page. We're creating all your arguments. We're putting your product, hyper-focusing on it, making the arguments, and then getting people to come to your end pages highly engaged and ready to make a sale. So if you have any questions, just schedule a call with us below. But thank you for taking the time.